Hi, I just got the new Roccbox system here and I'm excited to use it. But this kind of connectors, gas connector we got here, we got this in Denmark. I don't know what kind of connector this is, but yeah, it doesn't fit. What should I do? What is your recommendations? I can go over and show you what connectors we are using. Here's a mbar gas grill, and you can see it's a totally different kind of connector. It's 29 millibar. I don't know what this is. It's 37 millibar. I don't know if that makes a whole lot of a difference.